So, yeah, what is up YouTube? It's your Nihal Vlogs reporting all the way from Dharwad, Karnataka. Look at my halat today. I'm wearing chatti. I'm wearing shorts, and a beautiful thing happened today in Dharwad. It rained. Yeah, guys, it rained. I don't have fuel in my bike. What better chance than this, right? I took my bike out. I wanted to ride in rain, but unfortunately the rain stopped, and now I'm just going to the petrol pump to fill my bike up. I took my card, phone. Okay, done. It's already 6:30. It's so cold, man. Oh. I think my phone will fall down. No, it won't. Chatti man, where are you up to? I am going to petrol pump. Rave. Santoshike. So yeah, guys, how are you all doing? It's been many days that I haven't posted any videos, and my computer was down, and my friend just came by and helped me out. Oh, it's so cold, man. Nice climate. I am low on fuel. Discount. It's so cold. ABS, machas, ABS. I got ABS, BMW. I'm low on fuel, man. So how are you all doing? I haven't took my bike out since many days. I had planned a group ride on Sunday, but I had to cancel it due to some personal reasons, guys. Please try to understand. I had to cancel it. I got a really important work in the morning. I had to cancel the group ride, guys. I'm really sorry, and yeah, next time I'll plan one perfectly, so that nothing can stop us. We can go on must group ride, and yeah, I'll plan that soon, guys. Oh, traffic. Rain allu traffic, mali allu traffic, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ traffic. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಚ್ಚ? ಏನು ಮಾಡು ಬೇಡ ಮಚ್ಚ ನೀನು. ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಚ್ಚ? ಇದೆ ಮಚ್ಚ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಲ್ತೀಯಾ ಮಚ್ಚ ಬಸ್ದವನು? Wait. Mosquitoes. First time I'm feeling the heat. Today is the first time I'm wearing shorts and riding my bike. The heat is just killing me. Let me overtake. Oh, close call. Oh, you wanna go from left? Go, man, go. It's so fun to ride in rain, na? Rain. At least wear your helmet, man. Protect your head. When will you guys understand this? No. No, 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 no. Yes. Hey, where are you up to, man? I gotta go. Right. To the fuel station. Yes. With the roll. Okay, I refueled. Petrol, petrol. Whoa! Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Rain, 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 all the way. Rain, rain, all the way. Shall I do some off-roading? If we go this side, I do believe I get some off-roading roads. If I go this side, again traffic. So, what shall I do? It's already dark. So no, I'll go tomorrow. Tomorrow, another vlog. Tomorrow, another vlog on off-roading. Off-roading. Let's go off-roading tomorrow. Traffic! I hate this, man. I hate this traffic, man. Come on, no. Whenever I get my Duke out, this road always be full, man. No way. Wait. Move. Give me some space, please. Shall I go left? No. Traffic. RX 100. He's doing some jugaad. Let me go back of him. Oh yeah. Nice work, RX boy. Jugaad boy. That sound, man. The RX. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Soon I'll do a vlog on RX, man. I'm just falling in love with the sound and all. My friend Sanket has RX 135 and RX 100. So I'll take his bike and do some vlogs. I'll try to bring up some videos on that. Wait, Alto guy, wait. Oh. He's like, okay, nothing happened. Oh, so we got Jugaad boy over here. Yeah, nice. Do wheelie, man. You can't pop a wheelie. Better wear a helmet first. Where do you wanna go, bro? Nice, man. Nice. No, I'm gonna go left. Dark, it's dark. I gotta plan myself a long ride now. It's been many days that haven't been for a ride. Wait, high beams, what, bro? Come on, use low beams. Use low beam, man. Come on, what are you guys doing? Don't know why you people use high beams in city. Use, but other person, the opposite vehicle is feeling irritated. Please put down the high beam, man. Use low beam as much as possible, guys. road is opened. No.